Yan, ito lang eh.
Ganda yung ganyan. Dati kayo magwala ini.
Maldak yung mga eh.
Pero ngayon, sali siya.
Sa pao.
Yung isa na eh, boss.
Tumetong ko yung matsuray, mamaldak ni manong mo pero matsuray pa sa dyan. Pero may saan nangyari. Tayo tapos nakaanong bitoy ko eh. Luhaya naman to. Pero may saan nangyari ko. Mamasada na pala itigan mo na.
Oo, ay pag tinarmover mo itong badyag.
Ha?
Di ba pinalit itong badyag?
Muli na yung baday.
Remember?
Measures? Ah, sir, where's your gun?
Dada, you move.
Okay.
Okay.
I will be careful. Oh.
Yes, careful, no? No more button, ah. Wow. Look here,
You want buy sticker?
Sticker na yun.
You want buy sticker Barbie color pink?
You like that pink?
You want to buy JB's Playhouse?
Yeah.
Playhouse.
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 You want sticker JB's Playhouse?
Yeah. You want to put sticker in your mouth?
You want
Yeah.
spider?
No, I like JB's Playhouse.
Playhouse only. You don't like ano? Superhero?
You don't like that?
What color do you want? Blue or pink?
Blue,
Blue, okay.
blue and red.
Yeah. How about pink? Okay, Daddy, hold your hand.
Yeah. Ito pala muna Luz. Ito na sumawa kami. Ito lagi ang namin pera ko. Parang medyo. Ito parang may buwan yun.
Straight your head. Straight. Look in the mirror. Say. Medyo na. Medyo na.
Dad,
Almost done. Almost done.
Because the policeman is look at you.
You need to, proper haircut. Clean haircut.
Brush.
Let's brush. And we're done.
Almost done, not done. You wait.
You want touch the gun? The policeman?
Nah.
Okay. Oh, you see, you look in the mirror.
Yeah, like that. That you
See,
hold
you
it.
look yourself. Just look yourself. JB is so beautiful. Ay,
You're beautiful.
handsome.
Yeah.
Pogi.
Not
JB is pogi.
Baby Dave is beautiful and ate na.
You want so beautiful?
I like.
Eh, you like?
I don't like. It's so ouchy.
What?
Ouchy and
No,
hurt. Almost done.
Yes. Almost done.
Then before you go.
You just count 1 to 100.
Yes.
Nah.
No counting your record na.
Count to 20.
Okay, just count to 1 to 20.
Almost done na.
Yes.
Nako. Just for your head. Baby is so good. Baby is a big boy.
Yes.
He is a brave man.
You're almost done.
Yes.
It's all 20. It's 20.
Maybe I cannot hear. Just count again.
It's so 20. It's 20.
Do not
Okay.
count in your mind. Just count. What to it?
Ah!
It's not it's not
You don't want this?
I don't
Okay,
know.
but you know,
You don't want that?
to your, so,
It's so
I will
new.
use this. Okay.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ano pa challenge
Pagkaya mo yan, kami sa issue yun nga.
Hindi ako.
Issue yun eh. Sabi ka siya, yung nakaling apulin.
Bulong pati ng beto mo labasan. Sabi lang yung chaser niya.
Ano?
Akong balay.
Yung kaya ako tinishare ko ka ng gawa. Sa galing laro kay Kaso.
Sumal ka rin? Personal na ako kaya pisal 1. Ang mura lang. Tinaman ako ang tibeto ka na. Oh.
Yan ano yan ang filter. Yung pagka-bearing.
Magkano filter ko eh?
Nasa yung filter, sinabi ko to supply. Bayan ka na. 806.
Sa video. Oh no!
you need to cut your bangs.
I will
Cut
cut
only.
this. Oh,
Yes.
you just close your eyes, okay?
It's not.
Okay.
It's not good.
It's
Okay.
not. Daddy will hold you.
Oh,
It's not.
close
You
your eyes.
close your eyes.
Just relax. Oh, be careful. Oh.
Be careful.
Oh.
Very good, JB.
Oh. Scared ka? No.
Okay na.
Sisal lang to, sisal. Are you happy na? You happy, JB? I'm scared. I will careful. Oh. Oh, yeah. JB is so good.
Mine is the
JB is like a Superman. You want Superman or Supergirl?
I like
Ah,
I like
Super.
I
Superman,
like
Supergirl.
Secret
Ayun,
JB's Playhouse.
yes, so
Yes.
put in your playroom.
Okay.
Put in the out.
Brush.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You almost done.
Yes, almost done. Brush na. Remove the hair. Kabila, kabila. Ito. Diba? Good, JB. Oh, bow your head. Tanggal natin yung kuto. Ito. Tanggal natin. Ito po, JB, oh. Tanggal natin to. Tanggal, oh. Oh, very good, JB. Oh, bow your head. How to bow your head? How? Ganyan. Ganyan yung bow head. Ganyan. Marunong ba si JB? Bow head? Oh.
Ano pa?
Ito, the other side. Oh, very good. Oh, okay. Wait lang, brush.
Very good.
Are you want to brush yourself? Oh. Brush yourself.
Hey, you guys.